Once upon a time, in a colorful forest, many birds were flying happily. But one white bird felt very proud of its shiny feathers. One day, the white bird saw a black bird and said, "How can I fly with a bird like you? You're so dark and dull." The black bird felt hurt but stayed calm. Suddenly, clouds covered the sky and it started to rain. The white bird shivered, its feathers soaked and cold. Then the kind black bird flew close and said, "Come, friend. Stay under my wings. You'll feel warm." The white bird felt safe and warm under the black bird's wing. The rain stopped. Sunlight filled the forest. Both birds smiled and flew together happily. The white bird had learned something important. Everyone has special qualities. We must respect all.